Home maintenance book. Talk about adding incredible, overwhelming value, perceived value. This is physical value. It adds physical weight to your electronic home inspection report, right? So give your client maybe a folder, a 3-ring binder with some stuff in it, just stuff it with stuff, right? And the home maintenance book, InterNACHI's home maintenance book. It's only $2.70 and it's fully customizable. You can put your business brand, logo, and look and feel and message on the outside cover, front and back, and it's full color on the inside. Only $2.70. NACHI.org/now, NACHI.org/now, because the title of the InterNACHI edition is Now That You've Had a Home Inspection. And it sets your client's expectations that what happens after the home inspection? Well, it's all about home maintenance. It's all about taking care of your own home. If the roof leaks after I perform a home inspection, well, it's not my responsibility, right? So this helps communicate the value of a home inspection and also helps limit your responsibility after you perform a home inspection. It's all about home maintenance. Don't spend $2.70 on each book. Increase the fee of your inspection because you're increasing the value of your inspection by $5. Allow your clients to buy their own home maintenance book and a cup of coffee for you.